Hello and welcome at this series about Sitecore basics. In this video we are going to upload an image to Sitecore. So when I have the content editor opened, I want to be able to upload assets like images or videos or documents or something else to Sitecore. And those assets are stored in the media library, which is a part of the content tree, as you can see here. You can open it and you can browse through different folders. The configuration of these folders highly depends on your configuration. So what you see here in the video should not be necessarily the same as your environment. But in my case, I have a project folder and a tenant folder, which is this tenant. And in here I have a folder site for my specific website. So I can select this site. And then, as you can see, there are already two images in it. And I have the option to upload a single file or upload multiple files. So let's click the upload file button and I can click on the choose file button, and it allows me to access my local file system and to look for certain images. So I select a random one, I click on the upload button and it is uploaded to Sitecore. Now, as you can see here, it has added an item and this item contains the image. So the image itself is not an item in the tree, but it is related and added as a piece of this media item. And this is useful because you can add various metadata to this item about this image, which you can use in various ways. So for example, the alt text is a piece of metadata here, and it's highlighted in red because it's mandatory due to accessibility guidelines on the internet, and you can see the width and the height of this image. Now, when you look at the bottom, you can see that we have selected the content editor, but there is a media library option as well. So when I select it, it basically does exactly the same thing, namely go to the media library, but as you can see, the rest of the content tree is hidden. So it's another way, a more cleaner look from the content editor to work with the media library.